Hello students, today we are going to study the lesson Our State, Our Pride. After studying this lesson, you will be able to locate Karnataka on the map of India and get an introduction to the physical divisions of Karnataka state. Recognize the historical and famous natural resorts of our state and develop an attitude to protect them by knowing their importance. Children, you know that many districts together form a state. A country is an area which has such states together. India is our country and Karnataka is our state. I will show you the map of India. Observe the map carefully and then you have to write the names of states of India. So children, how many states are there in India? So how many states are there in India? There are 29 states in India. In this column, write the names of the states of India. There are 29 states and 7 union territories in the country. Let's take a look at the states and their capitals. These are the names of the states of India. Write these names in the given column. So, here are the states and their capitals. So, these are the states and capitals of those states. So, the capital city of our state Karnataka is Bengaluru. Similarly, other states also have their capital cities. So children, India is our state. It has 29 states. In those states, Karnataka is our state. We live in Karnataka. Let's take a look on the map of Karnataka. So, this is the map of Karnataka state. There are 30 districts in our state. You already know about this. In the previous class, you have learned about your district and surrounding districts also. Our Karnataka state is surrounded by some neighboring states. So, which are those neighboring states of Karnataka and in which direction they lie? So, in the east, we can see that Maharashtra state. In the west direction, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana states are there. In south direction, Kerala and Tamil Nadu states are there. And at the north side or north direction, Goa is there. So, Goa, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, these are the states which are lie at the different directions of Karnataka state. These are the neighboring states of our Karnataka. Each state has special physical features, for example, hills, coastal area, etc. You have already learnt different physical features. On the basis of physical features and climate, our state is divided into 4 natural regions. They are Western Coastal Region. It is also called as the Coastal Plain, Malnad Region and Northern Plains, and last one is Southern Plains. On the basis of physical features and climate, our state is divided into 4 natural regions. They are Western Coastal Region. It is also called as the Coastal Plain, Malnad Region and Northern Plains, and last one is Southern Plains. Do you know the districts of Karnataka state? Here are the list of 30 districts which are present in our Karnataka. There are 30 districts present in our Karnataka. So these are the names of those districts. So children, here are some questions. Write the names of districts that come under natural regions of Karnataka. First one is the districts of Western Coastal Region. Which are the districts comes in the Western Coastal Region of Karnataka? The districts of Western Coastal Region are Udupi, Dakshina Kannada and Uttara Kannada. So, we can see these districts on the map at this side. Uttara Kannada, Udupi and Dakshina Kannada. These are the Western Coastal Region districts. Second question is the districts of Malnad region. Which are the districts of Malnad region? The districts of Malnad region are Kodagu, Hassan, Chikkamaluru, Shivamogga and Belagavi. So, these are the districts of Malnad region: Shivamogga, Chikkamaluru, Hassan and Kodagu. Next is the districts of Northern Plain region. Which are the districts of Northern Plain region? The districts comes in Northern Plain region are Vijayapura, Kalaburgi, Bidar, Bagalkot. So, here are the districts of Northern Plain region. They are Bagalkot, Bijapur, Gulbarga and Bidar. The districts of Southern Plain region. Which are the districts of Southern Plain region of Karnataka? They are Tumkuru, Bengaluru, Chikkaballapura, Kolar, Mandya, Mysuru, Chamarajanagar. Here are the districts of Southern Plain region of Karnataka. They are Tumkuru, Chikkaballapura, Bengaluru, Kolar, Mysore, Chamarajanagar, Mandya. Observe this picture carefully, students. This picture shows about the Western Coastal region. That means it tells about the geographical features, main cities, main minerals, wild animals, occupations and crops, climate and vegetation of the Western Coastal region. So, in Western Coastal region, heavy rainfall area, it also have jackfruit, mango, nandi, honne, jambu are the main trees found here. And the area along the Arabian Sea on the west of the state is Western Coastal region. It is also called Konkana Coast. Western Coastal region is also called as Konkana Coast. This is about 240 km in length. The main cities of western coastal region are Karwar, Mangaluru and Udupi. Karavara, Mangaluru and Udupi are the main cities of western coastal region. Main minerals of this region are iron and manganese. The wild animals of western coastal region are land animals such as bat, snake, jungle fowl, wild boar and woodpecker. Aquatic animals such as prawn, sea crab, fishes, starfish, shellfish and sea cucumber. These are the animals we can see in the western coastal region. And fishery is the main occupation. Paddy, coconut, areca nut, cashew nut are important crops of this region. So this is about the western coastal region. So what is the other name of western coastal region? The other name of western coastal region is Konkana, which is the main occupation of the people of western coastal region. It is fishing. Now match the following. So jungle fowl, shark, areca nut, iron, karwar. Jungle fowl is a bird. Shark is an aquatic animal. Areca nut, crop. Iron, mineral. Karwar, main city. Karwar is the main city of western coastal region. So this is about the western coastal region of Karnataka. Next is Malnad region. Observe this picture carefully, students. This picture shows about the Malnad region. Its main cities are Madikeri, Chikkamangaluru, Shivamogga, Hassan, Belagavi. These are the main cities of Malnad region. Manganese and iron ore are the main minerals of this region. Bison, deer, tiger, elephant, squirrel, wild rat and rare species like slender lories are the wild animals we can see in the Malnad region. Agriculture is the main occupation of this region. Paddy, coconut, areca nut, black pepper, betel leaves, coffee, cardamom, tea and spices are the major crops found here. It is heavy rainfall area. Malnad region is heavy rainfall area. Forests are evergreen and dense. Sandalwood, jackfruit, hebbalasu, honne, silk cotton tree, teak, nandi, rosewood are the main trees of this region. It consists of ranges of Western Ghats. It is also called Sahyadri. It is about 400 km in length. Remember children, Malnad region is also called as Sahyadri. Now you have learnt about Malnad region. Haven't you students? Now match the following. Sahyadri, manganese, sandalwood and slender lories. Sahyadri is a mountain range. Manganese is a mineral. Sandalwood, state tree. Slender lories, rare animal which is found in Malnad region. Make a list of the important things in relation to Malnad region. So, the trees which are found in Malnad region are, here are the list: sandalwood, jackfruit, hebbalasu, honne, teak, nandi and rosewood. These are the trees we can see in the Malnad region. The crops of Malnad region are paddy, coconut, betel leaves, pepper, coffee, tea and spices. The main cities of this region are Madikeri, Chikkamaluru, Shivamogga, Hassan and Belagavi. This is about the Malnad region, dear students. In the next class, we will learn about northern plains and southern plains of Karnataka. This class is about Malnad region, western coastal region and the different districts of our Karnataka. Thank you so much for watching.